Hey, what's up? Welcome back on Tech Brothers YouTube channel. Today we will talk about a portable robot vacuum cleaner with camera-based navigation, 2000 Pascal suction power, 4 cleaning modes, up control and many other features. The name of this robot vacuum cleaner is AOSO S3. The price is $250 on Amazon. So sit back comfortably and let's start the review. The robot vacuum cleaner comes in this simple cardboard box. There are product parameters on the side face, such as specifications, weight, battery capacity, etc. Inside the box there is a package with a user guide and warranty card. Then we can see the robot vacuum cleaner itself, charging base, power adapter, remote control, 2 side brushes, screwdriver and cleaning tool. That's all. Talking about design of AOSO S3 robot vacuum cleaner, I have noticed that it is compact enough. The dimensions are 300 by 300 by 75 mm. However, it is quite heavy, 2700 grams. In user manual we can see the diagram of a robot vacuum cleaner. So there are 2 touch buttons on the front, power on off and return to charging base. There is also Wi-Fi indicator and camera. Dustbin is on the back. You just need to press this button to release a dustbin. I didn't find information about dustbin volume, but it is really big. As you understand, this robot vacuum cleaner is only for sweeping. It doesn't support wet cleaning. On the bottom we can see 2 driving wheels and universal wheel in the center. There are also 2 side brushes. This is the main brush, and you can easily remove it to clean. As I already said, there is a special cleaning tool in the package to clean the brush from the hair and other debris. The charging dock looks like this. It has 2 button charging pole pieces on the front and power socket on the side. By the way, AOSO S3 robot vacuum cleaner is available only in black color. However, the top panel has a nice picture. The vacuum cleaner looks very stylish. Oh, I forgot to show you the remote control. It has a recharge button, manual control with play, pause, cleaning, 3 cleaning modes and change suction power. Now I suggest to open the product page on Amazon and see the main features and specifications of robot vacuum cleaner. So we can see that AOSO S3 robot vacuum cleaner has 4 cleaning modes such as auto, carpet detect, edge and spot. Later we will test all these modes. The robot vacuum cleaner supports up control and time schedule. The other features are anti-collision sensor, anti-drop sensor, auto recharge, touch button, 2000 Pascal suction power, climbing capability and compact design. Also I have to tell you about battery. AOSO S3 robot vacuum cleaner is equipped with 3200 mAh battery, and this is enough for 110 minutes of cleaning time or 130 square meters of area. That's very good. By the way, did you notice the rating of this robot vacuum cleaner on Amazon? It is 4.5. It is very good for a budget vacuum cleaner. As I already said, the robot vacuum cleaner has up control. Let's look at the functions of the up. Before using the app, you need to connect the robot vacuum cleaner to smartphone. For that, download Train Smart app on your Android or iOS device. Then click on Add device and select Small Home Appliances. Now click on Robot Vacuum. Enter the password from your Wi-Fi network. Make sure that Wi-Fi indicator on robot vacuum cleaner is blinking fast. If not, then press and hold Home button for about 3 seconds. Now wait a little and robot vacuum cleaner will be connected. So on the main screen of the app, we can see the map of the room. The map will expand as the robot vacuum cleaner moves around your apartment. There are also some functions under the map, such as auto cleaning mode, edge, spot and recharge. You can also click on Seek Robot if you lost the robot vacuum cleaner in your apartment.
I'm here.
There is also manual control and suction mode.
High suction. Moderate suction. Low suction.
The other functions of the app are accessories lifespan, record, schedule, breakpoint continue, and mute. Okay, now I will do the cleaning test. As usual, I will scatter different garbage on the floor. As you can see, the weight of the trash is 100 grams. I started an auto mode, and the cleaning took a little longer than I thought it would. The robot vacuum cleaner managed to collect 86 grams of the garbage. By the way, AOSO S3 robot vacuum cleaner is not very quiet. The noise level is about 62 decibels.
High suction. Automatic cleaning. Indoor environment recognized successfully. Low suction. Please wipe the ground exploring sensor.
Unfortunately, AOSO S3 robot vacuum cleaner doesn't have mopping function. It cannot do a wet cleaning. However, the robot vacuum cleaner has good suction power, so it picks up the dry debris very well. Also, I like the up control. You can use a smartphone to start cleaning even when you are not at home. You can also monitor how the robot vacuum cleaner is cleaning thanks to map. If you like AOSO S3 robot vacuum cleaner, I will leave the links to buy it in the description under the video. Thank you for watching, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.